Hi, this is shopping expert Trae Bodge. Amazon's annual Prime Day event is back July 12th and 13th. There are epic deals across all categories, exclusively for Prime members. I've teamed up with Amazon to show how you can make the most of the big two-day event. This year, Prime Day is offering Amazon's lowest prices ever on select products from Sony, Bose, and GE. Prime members can also shop deals from their favorite beauty, fashion, and home brands, popular toys and electronics, a variety of Amazon devices, and even products from small businesses including Black-owned, women-owned, and military family-owned brands. My must-haves include savings on apparel from Champion, Levi's, Amazon Essentials, and more, including a daily ritual dress for only $10. I'm also excited about home gadgets from Shark Ninja, Vitamix, and Keurig. And we can't forget beauty products from Sunday Riley and Elemis. Prime Day is also the perfect time to save on items for the school year ahead, including backpacks and dorm essentials like home organizers, cookware, and plateware from Amazon Basics. This year, Amazon is making it easier and more rewarding than ever to prepare for Prime Day. Members can receive personalized product recommendations, set up deal notifications and reminders, and earn credit to put toward their Prime Day purchases through Prime's stamp card. If you can't wait until July 12th to join the fun, Prime members can shop early with impressive savings right now. If you're not a Prime member and want to participate in Prime Day, it's easy. You can sign up for Prime or start a free trial at amazon.com/Prime Day to join the savings celebration on July 12th and 13th. So happy shopping!
For more What's Trending Now, head over to inthenews.tv.